Well, hi everyone. Happy Thursday. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today so far. I missed my last upload. Don't know what happened there. Whoops. My bad. Sorry about that. So anyways, I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season. So we do have some gardening content for you today. Believe it or not. Wild. So we're going to be starting pepper seeds. So it is the middle of January, and I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yeah, it makes sense that you're starting seeds now. Well, guess what? I was supposed to start these little sons of guns December 1st. Yes, I might have procrastinated. So these have been on the list of things to do for a while now. I'm going to bite the bullet. We're going to go ahead and start these suckers today. I have mini sweet peppers, jalapenos peppers, green bell peppers, and red bell peppers. These are all seeds that I saved. So I can't give you like specific variety. So I'm just going to plant them up in here, give them a light watering back. I mean, the soil's kind of damp. I might could get away with not watering them in, but I should. I actually want to water from the bottom because seedlings usually do better when you water them from the bottom, to be honest. So I don't know what I'll do. But I did take boiling water and I threw it in the soil. And the reason that I did that, in case if you're curious, is because I just had a bag. I actually have 2 bags. Wow. I have 2 bags of potting soil sitting out here. Both of them have been open, and they've just been, like, sitting here since, like, last year, right? Great. We love that. And when that happens, you end up with, like, it gets, number 1, it gets super dry, and number 2, you end up with all sorts of little bugs in it. So I just took some boiling water to kill off any little bugs or anything that might be hanging out in there. And it also makes the soil nice and damp, so it kind of, like, revives the soil. And then bonus, when it's like in the 30s outside like it is right now, you're putting your hands into like warm soil, which is really nice. Like, I love that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plant these up, and yeah, that's about it. So let's jump right into this one. So I got the pepper plants inside under the grow light, and I was going to come out here and film an outro really quickly, but the video is not that long, and I just know I haven't talked on camera in a while, and it's good for all of us, right? Well, okay, I don't know. Is it? I don't know. It depends. But I decided I would show you the garden. Oh, yeah, baby. So this is like the bare winter garden that we have going on this year. The fence is completely, like the fence and the gate and all that jazz is new because we were having an armadillo issue where they were digging in the garden. And so we had to put up the fence to keep the armadillos out. I love this gate. I feel so legit. I'm like, yeah, I love that. I love this front gate so much. So here's the garden. There's the cat way out there in the woods. But, yeah, that's what it looks like at the moment, completely unplanted, except for these collard greens. Well, not to dismiss the collard greens, but they look really good. They look great. And then we do have the strawberries raised beds right there. And then I will be removing this chunk of fencing right here. That was before this gate, this fencing. We had this thing going on here to grow peas on. We'll take that out, use the wood for something else, but yep, that's what she looks like at the moment, and there is a back gate, like right there. So, there you go. There's the garden and all of its glory. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you taking time out of your busy day to spend it with me. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to hit that big red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you get notifications every time that I upload a brand new video. And always feel free to comment down below as well. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.